right, question 1 says y varies directly with x. If y equals 18 when x equals 6, find y when x equals 24. All right, so we're dealing with direct variation. So what that means is that the ratio of our x and y values is always constant. And since that's the case, we can take any pair of y and x values and set it equal to any other pair of y and x values that correspond with each other. And so what that does is allows us to create an equation that we can solve. All right, so let's do this. Let's go and substitute in our values for x and y and solve for our second y value. All right, so it tells us that our first y value is 18 and our first x value is 6. And that's going to be equal to the second ratio. In the second ratio, we're looking for our y value, so we'll plug in a variable there, and we're given an x value of 24. Now I have an equation I can solve, so I'm going to go ahead and solve for y. To get y by itself, I need to multiply each side times 24, or by 24, I should say. And then I get an expression, or really an equation, an equality, that says that y is equal to 24 times 18 over 6. Now, we could evaluate this by hand. To save time, I'm just going to go straight to the calculator and plug that in. All right, so we have 24 times 18 divided by 6. And that tells us that our second y value is 72. So the answer to this question is that y is equal to 72.